Dramatic entrance. What is up, YouTube? It is your boy Sean P, back with another video. First off, if you're new to my channel, welcome to my channel, Sean P Reviews. And if you've subscribed, thank you for subscribing to my channel. And today's video is my year update. I'm on week 33, I believe. Don't quote me on that. I've been losing track. Yeah, I'm on week 33. Come on, Sean, get it together. But what is there to update on my year? Not a damn thing, because Amazon still hasn't said nothing. I don't think they ever will, to be honest. It's coming in, you know. Like I said, I really don't notice growth when it comes to my beard because you see it every day. But it's coming in on the sides a little bit more. It's thickening up. Yeah, it's coming in. It's growing slowly, but it's coming in. And that's pretty much it. I mean, supplementation hasn't really changed. I'm really thinking about really changing my supplementation in terms of, I think I'm taking kind of like too many like supplements. I'm gonna try to get like the G&Z Vita packs, like to have it all in one pack. That way I don't have to keep constantly buying the fish oil and, you know, this supplement and that supplement, it all be in one pack. And I probably end up not really using supplements in the future because you can really get all that stuff in food, but it's good to have that in your diet anyway, just to supplement what you're not getting. So, that's pretty much it on the update of the year. Nothing's really changed that much, and that's pretty much it. But I kind of wanted to talk about the topic of, do your family members or your love, like your spouse, wife, girlfriend, side piece, whoever you got in your life, support you growing your beard? And I'm gonna say from personal experience, and this is what happened to me. My fiance, at first, she wasn't really all for, she was for the beard, she just wasn't used to it. Cause she used to me being like, kind of like really baby face, like not having no hair on my face. And just all of a sudden I just decided to grow it. And it kind of took her a while to get used to it because she had never seen that look on me before. But now she's kind of like come around and she's kind of used to the beard. Like if I was to shave my beard right now, she'd probably freak out because like, why did you do that? Why did you shave your beard? And she'd probably like be like, you know, she wouldn't know what to do. So it's kind of like how you see them babies with their dads, and then they all of a sudden the dad shaves off their beard and the baby freaks out. It kind of be like that with me and my fiance. So, but I just wanted to pose the question. Do you deal with, does your wife accept your beard? Does she like it? Does she hate it? Does she want you to get rid of it? Does she want you to trim it up? Is it hard for you to kiss her? Is it hard, you know, those type of things? Because the thing with it's like my fiance, she likes it, but it's like you can tell if it dries out because when she touches it, it feels dry. So do y'all have the same problems I'm having? Like in terms of, does she want to, she tries to get it close up on you, but she can't because of beard maintenance. So, yeah, I kind of wanted to touch on that because, especially after I did that, like that reaction video with me reacting to Chris Sales getting his beard cut out a little bit, and his his girl said, oh well, I don't really like the beard, you know, that long. And it's like, you kind of have to, if you really with somebody, like if you with somebody seriously, you might have to get their permission, and you might have to like really talk it over with them before you decide to grow out your beard, because you might end up with chunks missing out in the middle of the night. So that's something that you might want to think about when growing out your beard too, is talk with your wife or whoever before you decide to grow it out, because then they might not like it, and then you put all this effort into like growing it out and then you have to shave it. So please talk to your fiance, girlfriend, whoever, before you decide to grow a beard, because I don't want any of y'all to end up like Chris Sales with, you know, prank video, you know, beard getting cut off. So just wanted to pose that question out there and that topic. And comment down below if you've had like, you know, issues with your beard, and your wife or whatever has had issues with your beard. And yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and sum up this video. This is probably the shortest like year update. I think I'm proud of myself, but this is my shortest year update. So I'm gonna go ahead and sum this up. Please like, comment, subscribe, and I'm out. Peace. Cut the camera off, Sean. Fellas, get permission from your wife, lady, whoever, before you grow the beard. I'm out. Peace.